lights on your bike, any of the bike. It's applied to any of the bike. It's so easy. Any of the lane person can be also able to do this. So what are the things we require for it? I will show you now. These are the things you will require to set up hazard lights on your bike. So before wasting any time, let's start it. You can use any of the wire cutters to cut the wire, because I don't have it. So I'm just using my scissor to cut this wire.
I was looking into darkness for something to hold on. Find you while you wait.
This is the window switch which I brought from local store. You can ask them for the waterproof switch. This is the waterproof switch. You only get this person. This is the another stick if you have brought from any of the hardware store or the same guy who sell this switch. Actually I didn't got what size I'm looking for, so I just temporarily using this one. So this one is going to fit right here. I'm going to open this one. This one is going to fit here. That's it. This is the temporary. I'm going to use it for temporary purpose. Afterwards, when I got the proper sticks, I will mount it here or here. I just bend it like this. Let's connect another wire.
So broken, felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
So let's start the installation. This wire goes to me, going on there. So we have to open this one. This one we have to open it. I'm not aware about what size it is. So let's start. Which size will it be? 10, I think. Yes. This is 10 size. You can see. One request, don't make it too tight, otherwise it will be slip on the nut bolts. You can see it has fixed successfully. This is the part one done. Before cutting that, I have to wrap this wire in electric tape so it doesn't look bad on our bike, because as you can see the one color is red, one color is black, so better we just cover it. Now I have to take this wire in the proper way.
Here 1 minute, gone the next. There's no heart beating inside your chest. It's vanished.
You can see this button is not going to touch to the tank. You can see it while turning. See, it's not getting touch. You can also cut this part if you don't want. I will just cut this one. This is the unnecessary part, so it will doesn't allow to touch it. Guys, you can see on your indicator there will be one black wire and one green wire. Black will be always the negative and the another will be the positive. So to do the setup on our bike, we have to add the connection into positive wire. Same as here, you can see on my right, you can see on my right hand side there is also one wire is black, that will be the negative and the another will be the positive. So we have to add this connection over here, positive. So as you know from our wire, we got two connections. So one will be go to left hand side and another will be go to right hand side indicator. This both wire will go to positive connections, not to the negative. That means the purple and the green. Let's start. So guys, as I said, I'm going to connect this one connection to this positive connections, that the green one. Let me open it. You can see I have removed. You can also cut this wire and add this, but cutting this wire, which is I didn't prefer. So I just what I do in these same connections, I will insert this one. So this channel. Look what I'm doing. I'm just adding this wire into the same connection of the green wire. See? You can see the wire come out from this side. This will avoid any of the wire cutting process. So again we have to fit it.
Into thin air, never to be seen again.
After fitting, just cover that plastic cover out. Now this we have done. This is to the right hand side. We have to attach this one to the left side. So let's start it. So this is the another connection which is come from switch. Now we are going to connect this one to the left hand side switch. Let's start it. बरोबर इससे ना. So this is the black one and this is the purple connection. That will be the positive one.
Never to be seen again.
just like right hand side, we have attached our switch cable to this positive point of left side indicator. Now let's connect it. You can see it.
Never to be seen again.
That's it. So you can see how this connection has been made. From this is the wire which came from switch. So one we have connected to the positive wire of this left right hand side indicator, and this one is the positive connection of left side indicator. This is another wire. So let's test it whether it is work or not. As you can see, I have attached some thread over here, one thread over here to get this wire aligned with the handle rod, and also I have given one support here. You can see at here. So this wire doesn't come in with our spokes while turning the handle. Let me put on my key. Let me switch it on. So one thing is that to get it work, these hazard lights, first we have to turn your indicator to left or right, any of the side. You can to choose your left. I'm just testing it to the left. See, left light switching. It is the left front. So now let me on the hazard switch we have installed. You can see I have switched it on and both side indicators are blinking now. See, both side indicators are flashing. To switch it off again, you have to just switch off the switch off, then again to the position which is the left side indicator which is on. You have to close it. Now let's start it with the right hand side. Here it is, right side indicator. It started flashing right hand side. Let me switch it on the switch. I switch it on and it's again started. Both the indicators, that means the hazard lights, are started working. So that's it. Let me switch it off. It's again back to the right hand indicator. That's it. One thing I want to tell you, it will only work whenever you switch on the key. It's only one. It will not work while your bike is in parking condition. You can switch it. It's nothing working. So we have safety features here. We have not connected this wire through our battery. We have connected to the bike indicators switch as a positive connections. So that is the best option we can get it. It will not drain our battery because of that. Let me switch it on. Also one other thing I have to tell you, once the ignition on and if you put this switch on off, it's not going to work anything. You can see nothing is happening on bike. Only one which is on the indicator, right hand side, and just switches on this switch. It's on. That's it. And it will start blinking. So guys, this is the very easy DIY to install hazard lights on your bike. Hope you guys has enjoyed. If you like this video, just click on the like button, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.